Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Alara Canfield of alara.at, and today I want to talk a little bit about the art of changing your life. So this is a workshop that I am facilitating on the weekend of October 23rd and 24th. So I wanted to share a little bit about the workshop. And so this workshop, the art of changing your life, living your dreams, is for anyone who is looking to make changes in your life, if you're wanting to align with a supportive community, and if you're ready to turn your thoughts into things. So in this art of changing your life workshop, what will you learn, right? You're going to learn about the power of your thoughts, understanding that your thought is the first step in turning your dreams into reality, creating your life, right? Your hidden belief systems. We're going to talk about uncovering the beliefs that you hold that are determining your perspective on the world and how to change them. We're going to talk about your emotions, understanding your emotions, and our emotions serve as a shortcut to identify our hidden beliefs, also our GPS of what really works for us, what is good for us and what is not. We're going to talk a little bit about how to take action, taking baby steps in pursuing your dreams and changing your life. We're going to talk about your instincts and hunches, listening to them, because your instincts are a direct line of communication to the universe. We're going to talk about having faith in this magical universe, fully trusting the process and allowing the universe to work its magic. And we're going to be talking about the meaning of life. What's the point of it all? That's a lot, right? So is this art of changing your life workshop right for you? Right? So really, tap into your knowing, follow your heart, listen to your heart. But if you're ready to start living the life of your dreams, then yes. If you're curious about how to live life more deliberately and intentionally, if you're seeking a supportive community to help you achieve your goals, if you're wanting to welcome more joy and abundance into your life, if you feel that there's something more for you, if you feel called to share your gifts with the world, if you want to be more confident and learn how to trust your intuition, if you want to get rid of fear and doubt, if you're wanting to practice more self-love, if you're ready to take small steps towards your goals without feeling overwhelmed, if you want to let go of emotions and beliefs that are no longer serving you, and if you're ready to align your attitude with the power of gratitude. If you answer yes to any of these things, then yes, you belong in the Art of Changing Your Life workshop. And so this workshop, it's a 6-hour workshop, virtual workshop on Zoom. It's going to be held on October 23rd and 24th, Saturday and Sunday, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., both days. And you will receive a certificate of completion, but you have to attend the entire workshop, both Saturday and Sunday. There will be recordings, of course. And because, we are going through unusual times right now, I'm offering some flexible pricing. And regardless of what price you choose, you're going to receive the entire workshop. So the workshop is going to be available for $49, $99, $149, and $199. Right? So you'll see the links below in the description. And so what can you expect from attending this workshop? Well, a better understanding of who you are and how life works, an understanding of what makes miracles and magic happen, a roadmap to making your thoughts become things. And you're going to be part of a community of like-minded individuals that you'll be able to connect with and support one another. So this is the time to really gift yourself, the time to be fully present, right? So bring your favorite journal, a pen, and come with an open heart and open mind. That's all you need to attend this workshop, really, right? So this Art of Changing Your Life workshop, Living Your Dreams, includes 6 hours of group coaching. There's going to be a 95-page manual, The Art of Changing Your Life. You're going to receive added discounts on other products and services, as well as you're going to be able to interact with a community of like-minded individuals, and so much more, right? So much more. So I invite you to join us on the weekend of October 23rd and 24th, Saturday and Sunday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And this is, about changing your life. This is really about living the life of your dreams. It is possible for each and every one of us. I know that you can, and I know that it's possible for you. So this was just a short little introduction to the workshop, but like always, I always like to offer some sort of healing clearing, right? So let's do a quick little stellar healing clearing for you to really get into the flow and the mindset of being able to change your life if you so desire, right? So if you'd like to change your life, some aspect of your life in some way, let's clear what is in the way of you doing that, right? So just focus on your heart space, allow the energies to come up, all the doubts and fears, let them all come up, and let's clear them out of the way so that you can take a baby step or two into living the life of your dreams, into changing your life, right? So let's just do that right now. Take a deep breath and hold and release when you're ready. And at the same time, let's bring in the energies of clarity of basically what you should work on first, right? There's always so many different things that we want to change in our lives, right? But what's the top priority, right? Let's give you clarity so that you can access that and move forward with that priority. Whatever doesn't allow that, let's clear that. And clarity really, really, really is about tapping into your awareness, tapping into your knowing, right? From your heart space, tap into your knowing from your heart space. And you can ask yourself the question, what is my number one priority right now? What is it that I really want to change right now? Is it my self-talk? Is it my loving myself or lack thereof? Is it about me not making myself a priority? What is it for you? Right? So let's get clear on that. What do you require right now? Take a deep breath and hold and release when you're ready. And what would it take for you to change your life? Start changing your life. Well, I'll be honest, you've already started by watching this or listening to this. You've already started changing your life. You were called to watch this or listen to this. Okay? So listen to your guidance, listen to your hunches, listen to your intuition, listen to your awareness, listen to your heart. Whatever doesn't allow you to do that, let's clear that out of the way. And at the same time, let's bring in the energies of acceptance and self-love, self-nurturing, self-care. And the energies of allowance, of receiving the gift of this workshop, receiving the gift of you, receiving the gift of change. Whatever doesn't allow you to do that, let's clear that out of the way. Good. And what else is possible for you? What would you like to create? What would you like to experience? What is one dream that you've been putting on the back burner for so long that you've almost forgotten it was there? What is your heart calling you to do now? What is your soul saying is the next step for you? Tap into your heart space, access that knowing. Awesome. Good. Let's ground these energies here and now into you fully, into every cell of your being, into your entire body and being, energy field and aura, into the planet. Good. Put your hands on your heart chakra in the middle of your chest and just say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Come back up to your heart space, be in your body, be in your seat, be in your space, be in your room. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Open your eyes. Awesome. And I invite you to join me. I invite you to join me on the weekend of October 23rd and 24th. You will see many more emails, maybe another video come out before that time. But if this resonates with you in any way, if you are wanting to change your life in any way, if you're ready to have some of your dreams come true, this is for you. If you're curious about how to live life more deliberately and intentionally, instead of being on automatic pilot, this is for you. If you really feel there's something more for you, then join us. All right, so thank you so much for everyone for watching and or listening. Until next time, may you continue to be blessed with an abundance of joy, peace, love, happiness, prosperity, and radiant health. Sending you all much love and blessings always. Bye for now.